Alright, today we'll be creating a job in Jenkins that's gonna have a pipeline. So we're gonna run Jenkins pipeline job. So first thing we need to do is create a new item. So click on new item and then name it. We'll name it test project 1 and we'll click on pipeline, click OK, and you can hit pipeline here on the left, and under the pipeline definition we're going to select the pipeline script, and we can try one of the sample here. um, I will be selecting hello world for this example. Click on save next. Once we do that, we can click on build now. So hitting build now will run the job. So it has run the pipeline now, and you can see it's all green and it has passed. Click on it and you can see in the console output the hello world example has run. It has finished with success. um, Next thing that I want to do is show you how to um, clone this pipeline. um, so you can click on dashboard, click on new item, call it test project 2, click on the type of project this is going to be. This is going to be a pipeline, another pipeline, and we just going to clone from the pipeline that we already have existing. We'll call it, we'll select it from this test project 1 that we previously created, and click OK, um, and click on save and just hit build now, and that's gonna run our pipeline. And you can see that it has run, it has passed. Click on it, click on console output, and you can see in your log that it has echoed out hello world, our pipeline has run with success.